Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to find new games on Steam by curators. So let's open up Steam, and now what you need to do is go to, store, and after you have done that, go down here and under recommended you have this option. Click on it, and now you can use this option, find more curators. Now, these are pretty much like-minded people like you, and it pretty much helps you find a game that's similar to one of the games that you've played. So maybe they would interest you, perhaps you don't know what to play anymore. And some games here even don't make sense, but you never know. Maybe they'll interest you, maybe you'll have a change of mind, but anyhow guys, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section, and if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.